Okay, we will solve this one. The square root of 5x over 4 minus 8 equals 2. Okay, so ang gagawin muna natin dito, i-transpose muna natin itong negative 8 sa right side. Okay, so this is the square root of 5x over 4 equals 2. Then ito si negative 8 magiging plus 8. Okay, and then so the square root of 5x over 4 equals 10. Okay, ngayon alisin natin itong radical sign. So we have to square both sides. So the square root of 5x over 4, square natin yan, equals 10, i-square din natin yan. So squaring both sides. Okay, so cancel natin yung square root at squared. Okay, so dito tayo sa taas. So naiwan, that is 5x over 4 equals 100. 10 times 10 is 100. And then we have to multiply both sides by 4. Okay, 4 times 5x over 4 equals si 100, i-multiply din natin siya by 4. So cancel natin yan, may 1 dito, 5x na lang equals 400. Kasi 100 times 4 is 400. Then we have to divide both sides by 5. Okay, so cancel natin yung 5. So naiwan dito, x na lang equals 400 divided by 5 is 80. So therefore, sa choices natin, letter C is the correct